Design Center was the first CAD product in the world to introduce AI. We did it in 2019 with our Command Predictor. Our Command Predictor is one of our top selling products today. It can watch you, learn from your co-workers, and predict which command you'll use next. More recently, we added Selection Predictor. Selection Predictor uses AI to understand what you're really trying to do and what you really need to interact with in order to modify your design. Selection Predictor eliminates over 10 million clicks. Real soon, you'll be seeing products that release that look at your data inside your firewall and allows you to leverage that data. So similar designs can be created automatically. And the designers are really looking for changes to make. What new and creative improvements I can make to those products, not doing the same old that was in the product 5 years ago. One of the big issues with any CAD system is its complexity. NX has 20,000 commands. No single user knows all of those commands. What we're trying to do with AI and our tools like Selection Predictor and Command Predictor and NX Copilot is to move the bar of that expertise up, meaning younger engineers, newer engineers can use the tool as productively or more productively even than their experienced counterparts. The AI that you're used to with Copilots, with ChatGPT, uses public domain information. For designing, for NX, the most valuable information is inside your firewall, inside your company.